Hi, thank you for watching Hinovision YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to reset a password on a Hinovision NVR using the email address. So some NVRs, most of the NVRs with the new firmwares, they allow us to create an email that will allow us to reset the password on the device by sending a verification code to that email address. So in this case, that has already been set up. So once we have the reserved email settings set up, on the login page, we will click on Forgot Password and select Verify by Reserved Email. Okay, and it gives us a QR code, which is needed to be scanned using the Hinovision app. So once we have our devices ready, we will open the Hinovision app and select More and go to Reset Device Password. And we select that. It automatically, the app already scanned the QR code because I have my phone against the screen, and it says a verification code has been sent to the email already. Do OK, and it will go back to the usual screen. And very soon I will receive a verification code in my email. And once we receive the verification code, we will enter the verification code in the space given. Do OK. And once we enter the verification code, the device is letting us enter or create a new password. So I'm going to create a new password. Do OK. The password has been reset. Do OK. We can duplicate the password to the IP camera channels, or we don't have to. And the password has been, a new password has been assigned to the NVR. Thank you.